If you want to create basic shapes like a rectangle or square in CapCut PC, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few simple steps. Whether you're making a thumbnail, adding design elements, or creating a clean overlay for your video, shapes in CapCut are a super useful feature to know. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more CapCut tips and editing tutorials. Let's jump right in. First, open your CapCut project and look to the top of the screen. You'll want to click on Stickers. This is where CapCut keeps a lot of its built-in graphics and design elements, including shapes. Once you're inside the Stickers section, look over to the left-hand menu. From there, click Shapes. This will open the basic shape options, and you should see things like squares and other simple forms you can use in your edit. Now find the square shape and drag it directly onto your video preview. As soon as it's on the canvas, you can start resizing it. Use the handles around the shape to stretch it into the form you want. If you want a rectangle instead of a perfect square, just drag the sides longer until it becomes a rectangle. You can make it wide, tall, thin, or large depending on the style you need for your project. This is great for text backgrounds, highlight boxes, simple overlays, or even design accents in your video. After placing the shape, take a look at the timeline at the bottom. You'll notice the shape has appeared there as its own layer. This is really important because it means you can control how long the shape stays on screen. You can drag the ends of the shape clip in the timeline to adjust the duration and make it match exactly what you want in your video. Shorten it for a quick effect, or extend it if you want the shape visible for a longer section. And that's really all there is to it. In just a few clicks, you can add a square or rectangle shape in CapCut PC and customize both its size and timing. If this tutorial helped, please remember to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy CapCut guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.